You can now import Google Merchant Center directly as you import your shopping campaigns from Google. If you don't already have a Microsoft Merchant Center, it will be created with the same name, domain, and settings that you have in Google Merchant Center. This feature is still in private beta. To request access, please reach out to your Microsoft account manager. There is also an additional enhancement. When importing campaigns from Google, you can now choose to import campaigns automatically as the changes occur in Google Ads, where before you would have to schedule an import frequency. Similar audiences will be rolling out in the US. With similar audiences, Microsoft Ads automatically finds you new customers that are similar to those in your remarketing lists. To qualify for similar audiences, you must have at least one remarketing list with at least 300 users before the ads can be shown to the audience. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments, and please subscribe to stay up to date for everything e-commerce.